Hi guys, Fliteska here. In today's video we are going to be creating our own Picket Fences magazine and we will be unlocking some settlement objects with that with a simple quest. Okay, so as usual we are in the CK today with our mod open. I'm using Fliteska's cool mod, and what we are going to do today is we're going to take a bunch of these items, constructible objects, and we're going to make them hidden away until we read a Picket Fences magazine. And the way we do that is basically copying how the magazines work in the base game. So if I type in perk and come to character quest, you'll see perks quest. And in the quest stages, you'll see all the different perks that are actually in the base game. And if you come down to 1400, you'll see 5 picket fences ones. So picket fences, mag 1, mag 2, mag 3, mag 4, mag 5. And what that does is, if this quest stage is done, it unlocks the constructible objects. So if I go back into constructible objects and type in lights, you can see Workshop CO High Tech Lights. I click on Edit. You can see in the match conditions there's Get Stage Done, Quest is Perks Quest, and the stage is 1410, which is Picket Fences Mag 2 High Tech Lights. So that means it will unlock the High Tech Lights constructible object when that stage is done in the quest. And what we will do is we're going to come down to objects, items, and then book. And if I type in Picket, we can see perk mag Picket Fences 01, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to we're going to edit this, and we're going to give it our own ID, and we're going to call it FCM Fern Mag 01. We're going to leave it as Picket Fences, and that will just be the name of when you go to pick it up in the world. And we will just press OK. We'll say yes to create a new form. So we've got our magazine there, and you can see there is 2 other magazines because I've already got this set up, but I'm going to do it with a whole new quest and everything. So we've got our magazine. We're going to come back to that shortly. Click on quest. I'm going to right click, new. I'm going to give it an ID, FCM perks quest 02, since I've already got a quest there. We don't need a name. Priority can be 41. We want it start game enabled, run once. Everything else on here is fine. Come across to quest stages and right click, new, leave one at 0, just start on run. Don't need to do anything there. Create another stage, we'll say that's 10. Add a log entry with we're not going to add anything to the log, but for just to make it a bit easier for yourself, we're going to put in we'll say unlock chairs. This designer note is only shown here, it's not shown in the game at all. We're going to add another one because we're going to make 2 magazines, so we'll put stage 20, add another log, and this will be unlock tables. Okay, and that is our quest done. Got 2 stages, so we'll have 2 magazines. We've got priority set. It's going to start when the game starts. I'm going to press OK. And we're going to come back down to our magazine. We're going to double click on it. And what we want to do, the main magic, I would put it, is this mag stage script. And if we click on properties, you can see we've got Perks Quest. It's pointing to Perks Quest, which is the like the base game one. So we're going to just put in FCM Perks Quest 02, and the stage, right? This first magazine will be for unlocking the chairs. So we'll put stage 10 and press OK. The other script on here is to do with companion affinity, um, but we don't need to worry about that. You could remove it or just leave it. And the way to like create your own magazine, there is um, modders, modders resources on Nexus to create your own magazine, but for this I'm not going to change what the magazine looks like, but you would just create a BGSM with your custom textures and you'd set it in here, and you can just go back and watch the material swaps video. Um, the other bit is the featured item message. It's currently at mag picket fences 01, so we're going to jump into the messages section and we're going to create our own message. So I'm going to just close out this book by pressing OK. And then we are going to scroll down to our message. And since I've already got these messages up, so I've got FCM mag 02 message, I'm going to right click and click edit. I'm going to give it a new ID and I'm just going to call this, I'm going to change the ID to be like my Fern magazines. I just can't seem to get that there. Right, so we want that as Fern mag 01 message, and basically we're going to update this message. As you can see, the SWF file is just what shows up on the screen. This is set to picket fences, so on the left of the screen when you read the magazine, it actually comes up with Vault Boy reading a picket fences magazine. So what we will actually do is going to change this back to picket fences, and this one is for the chairs. So you can now build chairs at settlement workshop. So this is what will show like up in the green right and above the magazine when you are looking at it. And that is all we need in here. And we're going to say yes to create a new form. And just while we're here, we're going to edit that again. And we're going to change the ID to 02. And this one would be for tables. Press OK. Create new form, yes. Come back up to book. Back in our Fern Mag 01. And in our mag, I know we've already done the mag stage 1. Just double check. Yep, Perks Quest 2. Stage is 10. And we just want to update this featured item message, so we'll just put FCM Fern Mag 01 message and press OK. And we're going to just edit that Fern Mag 01 and change it to 02. Press OK. Yes, we want to create a new form. Go back in, update the mag stage script, and we're going to keep the same FCM Perks Quest 02, and the stage is going to be 20. So that'll unlock our tables. And for the featured item message, we're going to choose 02, press OK. And for the most part, this is all done. Um, Obviously, like it will get um, the message pop up saying you can build stuff, but we haven't actually assigned um, the constructible objects. So I'm going to click on constructible objects, and I'm going to get the board table chair. Click on edit, and once that loads up, I'm going to come to match conditions, right click, new, and for condition function, we want get stage done. And in this next box, invalid error 0, we pick our FCM Perks Quest 2. Stage is 10 unlocked chairs, and it equals to 1. And just to make it easier for the other 2 bits, I'm going to click copy condition, which is right click on there, press OK. And where's our other chair? It's this vault vault crate chair that we made. So once that comes up, just going to right click, paste condition, and since that is still a chair, we'll keep it as unlocked chairs. Press OK, and board table, open that up, right click, paste conditions, and since this is a table, we don't want it to be stage 10, so if we double click on that line, we can click on the box again, Perks Quest 2, choose stage 20 for unlocked tables. And we're going to right click, copy condition, press OK, and then we're going to find, do we have any other bits? No, we don't actually have any other tables. I thought we do. There's one. I'm going to add that condition to this table too. So paste condition, and that is everything done. So I'm going to save the mod, and I'm going to jump in game, and I'll show you before we've actually unlocked the items, and then I'll show you what happens when you pick up the magazine, and then show you obviously what's in the menus as well. Just be 1 second. Okay, we are in game. I've put my magazines on the floor at Nordhagen Beach, just because I was already here. So I'm going to jump into workshop mode, and there is no Fliteska tab here at all. There's a lot of stuff, so we're going to go right back to the end. Wow, didn't realize there's so many. And we're going to pick up Picket fences, A to read.
There we go.
You can now build chairs at settlement workshops. Click take, and if I go back into build mode, there's Fliteska, furniture, chairs, and there is our board table chair and our vault crate chair. And if I pick up the other one,
Bingo.
you can build tables, and you can see Vault Boy reading the picket fences there. And open up menu again, and you can see furniture tables is now there. We have a board table and our fancy table. And that about covers it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.